Okay, so if you are having problems getting a picture into your portfolio, I am going to show you how to do that. So you'll see on my screen, I am importing from my phone, because a lot of you do that. You take it from your phone. I'm going to slide it just over onto my desktop over there. Okay. If I open let's say I open a new document here. Let's see. Drive. And I'll do new slide, because that's basically what your portfolio is just a slide. If I try to slide that picture into here, it might not go, right? It says invalid or unsupported, okay? That means we got to change the file type. The easiest way that I found to do that is take your picture, put it into photos. So we're going to import. There it is right there. Now, I don't think it'll work even if I slide it from here, but we'll try it. Oh, that actually worked. If that doesn't work, take it from your photos, put it back onto your desktop, and take it from there and try to import it that way. If that doesn't work, let me know.